Hey everyone, welcome to the VidAU channel. Want to create authentic user-generated content ads with real human-like anchors using AI? Whether you're promoting products or services, UGC ads are one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience. And now, with VidAU's AI Real Person Anchor and AI Avatar, you can create engaging talking video ads in minutes. User-generated content, or UGC, is one of the most powerful marketing tools today. People trust content that feels authentic, like someone sharing their real experience with a product. But creating authentic, engaging UGC ads can be expensive and time-consuming, and many UGC ads lack authenticity, look fake, forced, inauthentic, and unengaging. What if there was a way to do it without the hassle and expense of hiring real people? VidAU, the AI-powered platform that lets you create real-looking UGC ads with ease. With VidAU's AI Real Person Anchor, AI avatars, you can create UGC-style ads that look and feel authentic. These AI anchors talk directly to your audience, explaining your product, showing its benefits, and delivering a message just like a real person would. Now let's dive in. On the VidAU dashboard, click on AI Avatar, then you will see My Avatar and VidAU Library. You can browse this through VidAU's diverse library of AI-generated character, UGC video templates that look and sound like real people. Choose the AI anchor template that best suits your brand from different styles, voices, and expressions to create a video ad that speaks directly to your audience in a way that feels genuine. Then click Create Video to start using the AI anchor to create your UGC video ads. And you can customize the video language, aspect ratio, change the video avatar to suit your preferences, and add your script or the message you want to deliver. Next, click Generate Avatar Video. After a few seconds, you can preview AI-generated AI avatar video, and you'll be able to customize the video details, adjust the script, subtitle style, animation effects, and even modify your avatar to have a transparent background, mask settings, and audio. VidAU allows you to tailor the video with simple clicks. Until the video is perfect, you can preview it and go ahead and hit the render. You can click My Content to view, download, and share your video. And that's it. We've just created a video ad with AI Anchor using VidAU. The AI Anchor can introduce your product, talk about its benefits, and engage your audience, making your ad feel personal and real. VidAU also offers customizable AI avatars that can speak on behalf of your brand. You can click Create My Avatar to generate your custom video ad anchor. With VidAU, you can create UGC ads that are just as effective as influencer content, but without the hassle of coordinating with real people. Your AI anchor or avatar can deliver consistent, high-quality messaging every time, helping you boost engagement, increase trust, and drive sales. Ready to create high-quality video with a real person-like anchor, UGC-style ads with AI? With VidAU, you can easily generate professional-looking, high-converting UGC video ads featuring AI real person anchors and AI avatars in a fraction of the time, and no need to hire actors or production crews. It's simple, fast, and powerful. Click the link below to start creating your own AI-powered UGC ads today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on how to boost your ads with AI. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.